Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adenike Adeshegun, and if you just stopping by my channel for the first time, I really appreciate. And if you're also a returning subscriber, please do well to watch this video to the end. And if you want to know how I did these scarves, you definitely want to keep on watching. Okay, for the first head wrap, I'm using this scarf. As you can see the length, I'm just trying to fold it into two to give me the perfect size I want to use for this head tie rather. All right, so when that is done, as you can see, I'm trying to place it on my head in the style I want. You can also do this from the back, but I prefer doing it from the front because it's a lot more easier, and you should definitely do it from the front also. And I'm just trying to make it cross behind. Yeah, as you can see, I'm trying to make it fit behind so that when I want to tie it, it's not going to give me a lot of problems. And yeah, I'm just beginning to twist it in this motion. Now that the first twist is done, I'm twisting the second one in the same motion, and this is what I got after twisting both sides of the scarf. So the next step is to actually cross the twisted length of the scarf from one end of your head to the other end. And do the same thing to the other end of the scarf. After that is done, I'm just trying to knot it behind so that both sides or both ends that I've crossed are going to stay the way they are. So this step is very essential, guys, if you want it to actually stay the way you want. So this is the scarf. Yeah, as you can see, you can rock it to anywhere you want, anytime, and it's so easy. You can do this in less than 5 minutes if you are fast while doing it. For the next head wrap, I'm going to be knotting my hair up, as you can see, so that the head wrap is going to look a little bit different from the first one I did. And then after that is done, I'm going to be using the same length of scarf I used for the first one for this same head wrap also. And it's simply the same procedure, guys. Like, you can follow the same procedure in doing these two scarves. All you have to do is to change the way you twist it when you're about to do that step. Now that that is done, I finished placing it on my head. I'm going to try to open or leave an opening behind because I want my hair to kind of be obvious in this scarf. So I'm done with that. I'm going to also, and now that that is done, I'm just trying to arrange it so that when I want to twist it, it's going to be a lot more easier for me. So I'm just trying to knot it behind so that when I'm twisting it, it's not going to go off, losing and stuff. Yeah, you can actually just do this. It's so easy. Just knot it a little bit. It should be actually a little bit tight. Yeah. And now that that is done, I'm just trying to twist both sides of the scarf, or both lengths rather. As you can see, I'm twisting them on each other, and I'm taking it all the way down. And then when I'm done with twisting it, I'm just trying to take it in a round motion across my head from one end to the other. All scarves that are this length can actually achieve this type of head wrap if you actually maximize it well and do the steps the way I just showed you. And then when I'm done, I just fixed it behind, as you saw. I just fixed it behind, and that's all. You could actually rock this head wrap anywhere you want to go, guys, like anywhere you want to go. It's so easy and it's very fast and it's very, very neat if you do it well. And for the next head wrap, I'm going to be using a more shorter scarf. As you can see, it's more shorter than the first one, and I'm going to be doing the same thing I did for the first one. I'm folding it into two, and then after folding it into two, for this style I'm still going to be folding it one more time. That's making into 4 places. So if you lose the scarf, it's going to be going in 4 different folds. As you can see, now that is done, I'm just going to place it over my head. I'm trying to make sure that both sides are looking exactly the way I want them, and if they are not, I'm going to be adjusting it to the way I want it to look on my head. Actually, when I'm tying my scarves, I like covering, I think, a proper amount of my ears, just so it's going to look a little bit more beautiful on me, or that's what I feel anyways. And you can do yours anyhow you want it. I just knot the front of this scarf and after that is done, I'm just going to make the bow right away. So I just fixed the end of the scarf into the first wrap I did, and after that is done, I'm just trying to adjust the bow at the front, and I'm trying to bring it out and form a bow with it. You want to take your time while doing the scarf, because if you don't, it's going to scatter and then you have to start again from step 1. It's going to be so complicated if you do not take it carefully and one step at a time. So my advice for you is that you should just take your time while doing this, and it's going to really come out well if you do that. And there you have it, guys. Here it is. The bow is ready. And then I kind of made a mistake while doing the scarf, but if you can actually follow my steps, you could make yours a little bit or much more perfect, or much more perfect than I did mine. I'm very sure you can if you follow the steps right. And there you have it, guys. That's all for this style, and you can rock it to any occasion. And guess what, you can also use the style while wearing casual wears or any other styles. And for the last style, I'm going to be using the same step I used in starting off the bow style, but then I'm going to be twisting this length instead of doing a bow with it. I'm going to be twisting it downward, as you can see. And after twisting it down, I'm just going to go in in circular motions on top of the knotted area of the scarf. And this is like the simplest among all. I know I keep saying that, but Really, these head wrap styles are really simple and easy for you anywhere, anytime, any day, and you can always count on them. And that is all for this tutorial, guys. I really hope you learned one or two things out of this tutorial. I am going to see you in my next video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I love you. Bye.